Very nice, one owner, loaded 2014 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ. Cream white paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good Michelin tires, running boards, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, rear bumper protector. Gotta hit unlock. Power liftgate. Plenty of room. Full sets of carpeted and weather liner mats. Full wireless headsets with remote. Nice well kept tan leather interior, wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Heated and cooled front seats. Heated second row seating. Power adjustable foot pedals. Ice cold AC. Free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Navigation. Dual automatic climate controls. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Heated steering wheel. Trailer braking. Auto headlights. Just over 161,000 miles. Dual rear DVD entertainment system. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us at your cars.